welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling the massive and confusing world of the best mid-range electric bikes. We are breaking down the different styles, from the light and stealthy to the rugged and powerful, to help you pinpoint the exact one for your needs. We will show you what features matter most for the price. If you are ready to stop scrolling and start riding, make sure you subscribe. We will cover everything from motors to battery range, and all the links to our top recommendations are available for you right below in the description. Let's find your new favorite ride. Number 5. Brand name, ENGWE, model number, P20. The ENGWE P20 electric bike delivers exceptional performance with its powerful motor offering a smooth and efficient ride. The ENGWE P20 e-bike consists of an aluminium frame that weighs only 18.5 kilograms and has a maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms. The e-bike has a convenient folding design and can be completely folded in 10 seconds. Easy to transport in the boot of your car, office, and easy to carry up and down stairs, the P20 e-bike is the perfect choice for your urban commute. With large 20-inch wheels to move in total freedom while fully respecting the environment and with the convenience of assisted pedaling. Number 4. Brand name, Fafrees, model number, F20 Pro. The Fafrees F20 Pro is a foldable electric fat tire bike designed for both city commutes and off-road use. The F20 Pro is latest stylish work of art without compromising its practicality. Shimano 7-speed shifter derailleur provide accurate and smooth shifting, ensure that your drivetrain is responsive for a long time. With front and rear mechanical 160mm disc brakes and power offer brake levers, you can stop the bike in a more effective and quick way. Featuring 20 into 3.0 inches one-piece fat tires, this folding electric bike ensures a stable ride. The integrated wheel and rim design resists deformation, whether you are riding on city streets or venturing through muddy paths, sandy beaches, or snowy terrains. The bike is powered by a removable 36-volt 18-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery with automotive-grade cells. It has a charging time of 7 to 8 hours. Number 3. Brand name, GOGOBEST, model number, GF700, equipped with responsive hydraulic brakes and engineered for a 200 kilograms payload. With a Shimano 21-speed transmission, riders can smoothly transition through a wide range of gears for optimized pedaling efficiency on all types of terrain. Powered by a robust 1000-watt motor, the GF700 delivers reliable speed and torque for various terrains, making it perfect for both urban and off-road adventures. The dual-motor driver design also improves energy efficiency conversion rate, and this is reflected in the boosted performance in speed, stability, braking and climbing ability. Its foldable design adds convenience for storage and transport. Built in 3 riding modes including electric mode, 5-level power assist mode and riding mode, can be easily switched according to the gear and mode, calmly dealing with the needs of different riding scenes. Intelligent LCD screen displays battery level, speed, riding data and other information clearly. The LED headlight has bright light, accompanying your safety in the dark. Number 2. Brand name, URLIFE, model number, T2. The URLIFE T2 fat tire electric bike is engineered for strength, comfort, and all-terrain versatility. Designed to perform across sand, snow, gravel tracks and rugged countryside trails, this high-powered e-bike combines a robust motor, long-range battery, and durable suspension to deliver a smooth, dependable riding experience on private land and off-road adventures. Engineered for a superior riding experience, this e-bike features a full suspension system that effectively dampens shocks from rough and uneven terrain. The ergonomic saddle enhances comfort, providing excellent support and reducing strain during long rides. Equipped with a 750-watt sustained rear hub motor, the URLIFE T2 provides the torque and speed needed for steep inclines and challenging terrains. Its powerful setup makes it ideal for riders who want reliable off-road capability and thrilling trail experiences. Sturdy carbon steel frame, Shimano 7-speed gearing, and a 265 pounds payload capacity equip this bike for rugged conditions. Number 1. Brand name, Hideos, model number, C6. The C6 electric bike is equipped with a high-speed brushless motor with a rated power of 250 watt, capable of accelerating to a maximum speed of 25 km per hour within just 10 seconds. It provides strong and stable power during acceleration and climbing, eliminating concerns about slow climbing speeds and insufficient power. Equipped with high-intensity LED headlights and taillights, increasing visibility during nighttime and low-light conditions for safer travel. C6 electric bike is equipped with a removable battery design for convenient battery removal. The C6 electric bicycle comes with a bike chain tensioner that decreases the likelihood of chain slippage, providing an extra safeguard for your daily cycling.